Today, we'll be looking at some Syrian expressions, part 2. If you haven't seen our first video with Syrian expressions, please go check that out. You can find it in the description below. My name is Ozzy, and I'm from Damascus, Syria. Welcome to Speak Real Arabic. I personally love expressions, as I said in the first video, so I'm super excited to share a couple of more great ones with you. Before I jump into some awesome expressions, go ahead and click that subscribe button and ring the bell icon. Sellouts. You know, we post some awesome content on this channel, and your support would mean a lot to us and motivate us to make more. Also, if you don't give us some support, they might not let me host anymore. So my career is in your hands. Help me! Anyways, let's jump into some fun expressions for today. The first expression I want to mention today is one that I personally use a lot, which is طقت خواصري. I'm gonna repeat that. طقت خواصري. This one literally translates to my sides have exploded, which, yeah, you guessed it. It's actually close in meaning to side splitting, which means something is super funny. However, we, in classic Syrian fashion, traded splitting with exploding because we're just dramatic, we can't help it. And that was even before explosions in Syria became a common sight. We just started this way. Anyways, another expression I'm really fond of is بدك الحقيقة ولا بنت عمها. I'm gonna say that again. بدك الحقيقة ولا بنت عمها. This literally means, do you want the truth or its cousin? Interesting tidbit here. Truth in Arabic is a feminine noun. Wonder what's that about? So, this actually means I am going to tell you the truth no matter how harsh it is. Ironically, through experience I learned, when someone tells you this, it usually means they're about to drop a lie on you so intricate, it'll fool the best lie detectors in the world. Now that we lie a lot, you know, we don't, as far as you know. One more expression I'll be hitting today before I let you go back to your Instagram scrolling is شو بدك بطول السيرة. I'm gonna say that again. شو بدك بطول السيرة. I love this one so much because it actually literally means, what do you need with a long story? So this is usually said by someone who has been telling you a story over the last hour and plan to speak for about an hour more. They're just letting you know that they're giving you the short version of the story. What can I say? We Syrians are social creatures. We just talk and talk and talk, and you know, sometimes we just like take tangents that are not really necessary to what we are doing. Like, you know, we'd be doing a YouTube video about expressions and we just, oh, sorry, they're telling me to shut up. Okay, so I guess that's the last expression that I'm gonna tell you today. So, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. There's tons more Syrian expressions. So, if you want me to do some more of those, just let me know in the comments and I'll happily jump on that. And again, please give us that thumbs up, and if you haven't already, I mean, again, I know you have, but hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Sell out. Again, this is Speak Real Arabic. I am Ozzy, and I hope to see you all soon. Have a fantastic day.